You'll remember I said about Part 7 that Part 8 is an alternative. Well, Part 8 is usually known as the alternative procedure for starting claims. The main reason we have Part 8 is because in most claims there is a significant dispute of facts. One party said something happened, another party says it didn't, or happened differently than they said. Part 8 is generally where both parties don't necessarily dispute how something happened or the facts of what happened. They just disagree on what to do next, what the remedy might be, what the outcome might be, what the next step might be. An example of this might be where two people are separating, they jointly own a property, perhaps they're not married, and one of them wants to keep it and rent it out, the other one wants to sell it and get their share. There's no significant dispute of facts in this case because they both jointly own the property, which they will almost certainly agree with. In that case, they just want the court to make a decision as to whether or not the property should be sold, in which case they would begin the claim under Part 8 and ask the court whether or not the property should in fact be sold. If something comes up in the meantime where they do dispute the facts of the case, such as one put a significantly more amount of money into the property than the other and the other party disagrees, then it may well come back to Part 7 because there's a dispute of facts in the case. So with that in mind, let's take a look at Part 8.